On Tuesday evening, a violent storm struck again over Landshut in Bavaria. It was raining so hard that water masses flooded the city center. The footage shows that even cars cannot drive through the water. A passing car even causes a small wave. At 18 o'clock the sky darkened and a strong wind blew. Then a torrential rain fell, flooding the streets and gardens. All roads were obstructed by mud and flooding, and aid workers had to remove road signs and broken trees that were blown away by the wind. Due to hurricane damage, rail traffic on the Munich-Landshut route was also severely affected. All damage from the storm has not yet been reported, but emergency numbers have been overwhelmed.